Hey guys, what's up? So based on your interest in my last video, I know that you guys want to know how to be able to make a little bit of extra money. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 unique side hustles that you can do in order to make a little bit of extra money. You can do this in your free time, on your off days, after work, before work, whenever you want. You have the flexibility to do it whenever you want. So these side hustles, I've personally tried them and had success with them, or I've been at the consumer end, and so I can personally vouch for them. And it does not require a particular kind of skill set. Like a varied skill set can still apply to this side hustle and you can still make a good amount of money from it. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into the video. The first way is sell on Instagram. You see, Instagram has about 1 billion monthly users. That's a huge number of people using this platform, and Instagram can be monetized in various different ways, but I just want to talk about one way, that is selling on Instagram. You can sell anything on Instagram, be it art, be it food, be it clothes, anything that you can make, you can sell on Instagram. But wait, I know you might be thinking that you do not have any creative skills or you do not have any product to sell on Instagram. That's fine. That was me. I understood that I did not have the creative power to create stuff that people would want to buy. So what I did was I found someone that could create the product, and I built an Instagram page. I built the following, got the customers to buy stuff based on his product. So he did all the creative part, and I did all the upfront marketing, building the page, talking to customers, acquiring customers, and thus we both were able to divide the work, and that's why it was a huge success. We did not waste time trying to do the thing that we were not that great at. We instead focused on our strengths and combined it. So that's what I'm saying. If you can make stuff that you can sell on Instagram, but you do not have the time, or you do not feel like you want to waste your energy doing the upfront marketing, team up with someone who has a little bit of experience with building an Instagram, marketing on Instagram, and the other way around as well. Like if you have any experience with building Instagram pages or marketing on Instagram, find somebody with the creative spark to create the product and team up with them, and you do the marketing part. And if you're wondering,
how do I find someone that has the creative skills that I lack?
Well, this actually comes under the second side hustle, so stick around.
Do you need a large following in order to be able to sell?
Well, the answer is no. With less than 100 followers, the first month itself, we were making a decent amount of money. So this can be a very lucrative way to make a little bit of extra money. The second way is freelancing on websites like Fiverr. You can use your skill set to do projects for other people. Freelancing has turned out to be a very lucrative career. There are people making 6 to 7 figure income. If you have a skill of writing, editing, graphic designing, or any other skill also that can be marketed on these freelancing websites, and seriously consider doing it, because you can make a serious amount of money from these websites. And for those of you that do not have these skills or do not have a skill that can be marketed, then you can use these websites to actually find people that have a skill, and you can do the marketing and the building the Instagram page and selling their products. That's how I found the artist for my Instagram page. I found him on freelancer.com, I think, or something like that. And that's how I was able to build the Instagram side hustle. And also, majority of the profits that I used to get from these side hustles, I used to actually take that money and almost double it, but more on that a little bit later. The third side hustle I want to talk about is teaching a skill to other people using sites like Skillshare. You see, Skillshare has about 12 million active users per month. That is, people actually pay to learn a particular skill. Now you might be thinking, but I do not have any skills to teach. Well, if you are watching this video, then there is a high likelihood that you understand English well, and I'm pretty sure that majority of the people can speak fluent English. So you can actually teach English, because that is a skill itself. People are there to pay you to learn English or any other language that you're fluent in speaking, your local language. There will be people that actually want to learn your local language, and you can actually teach them. So you can teach a skill like writing, learning a language, playing a musical instrument, public speaking, confidence, any skill that you think you are good at. It doesn't have to be great. You can teach it on Skillshare if you are able to market yourself well. And this can be another lucrative method, because there are people making 6-figure incomes from just teaching. And now with the whole situation and people being stuck at home, but they have a lot of skill set and they have a lot of free time at hand, this can be an amazing way. Because on the other hand, there are people who are stuck at home, who are wanting to learn more skills and who are wanting to improve themselves. So there are people ready to pay for it. So when there is a demand, you need to meet the demand, and you can actually monetize and capitalize on that. Now in the middle, I told you that majority of the profits that I make from my side hustles, I use that money in order to make me more money, and that is basically in passive income. And that's how I've been able to diversify and set up about 3 streams of income. And if you want to learn how I did that, I actually went from making that from 5% to taking it up to 77%. So I'll link that video up here. You should definitely watch it, but not before you smash the like button and subscribe if you've not yet to join this channel. And until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.